it's Jennifer Elizabeth, Perry Piccolo's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is part of the collab, hashtag new to me. It's hosted by Kimmy's Kitchen and More, and this is an open collab that runs on Thursdays where you upload a video and you share something that is new to you. I'm going to share with you some items that I found at Dollar Tree today, and I'm really excited. They're very, very cool, and they're definitely new to me. Check out these really cute wooden cutout bunnies from Crafter Square. There's a 12-pack right here. And they even have adorable little pom-poms on their tail. How stinking cute is that? Absolutely adorable. I'm going to open these up in a second and share them with you. And then I'll show you a closer look without the glare of the bag. Oh my goodness, how cute are these? These are going to be so fun to craft with. I can think of so many ideas. You could totally glue a little magnet back here. You can get those at Dollar Tree a lot of the times too, and paint this and decorate it and make it a magnet. You could make it a pin, use it in any kind of a journal, junk journal, and just so many other different crafting things. You could even use this to make garland, I bet. So cute. Cannot wait to craft with these. So that is my crafting item. And then I decided also to share with you another type of items I found at Dollar Tree today. These were actually on an end cap. They were kind of to the back of the store where they have a lot of the different travel items, but every store is different. But these are Arm & Hammer, and they are actually, they're wipes, and it says that you can use face and body wipes. This one right here is a 30-pack, which is a great deal. And this says cool water. So it has baking soda in it for advanced odor control. I personally would not use this on my face only because I have sensitive skin, but this is perfect to keep in the car or your purse or anywhere. Just for wipes in general, to wipe your hands. It definitely says face and body right there though, so you also could use this for that as well. I'll open it up and smell it in just a second, but this says cool water. And then they even had some for kids. So these are really cool. This one says it's essentials. It says with gentle baking soda and aloe. So again, perfect if you want to wipe your hands, kids' hands, or even to use on your face. It says that right here on it. So, and this is Sea Monster Mango. And the other fragrance that they had, this one is cute. It says Under Watermelon Kiwi. And right up here, it says on it, no parabens or dyes. It actually has a lot of different ones on it. It says it is paraben-free, dye-free, alcohol-free, vegan, and no animal testing. So yeah, I just thought this was a really cool find. I don't know that we'll find this again at Dollar Tree because it's probably not an item that they stock regularly, but it's name brand, and for $1.25 you get 30 wipes in this pack, and in these packs you also get 30 wipes. So great deal. This is new to me, probably new to a lot of you as well, but definitely keep your eye out for this in Dollar Tree. Let me just pause the camera for a minute. I'll open them up and I'll let you know my thoughts on the fragrances. So the first one, the mango, is actually, it's lightly fragranced. It doesn't smell, I'm not picking up a lot of different fragrance. I am picking up a little bit of a fruity scent, a little bit of actually lemon, but nothing overpowering or strong or anything like that. So that is the first one that I opened, and that is the Sea Monster Mango. How cute is that? Now this next one right here, I'll let you know my thoughts on this in just a second. Okay, so this one, the watermelon, it smells really, really good. It says watermelon kiwi. I can definitely smell watermelon and some other fruit fragrances in here as well. This one I actually prefer. They're both really nice, but the first one has a little bit more of a lemon scent. This one I can definitely smell the watermelon in. Okay, so the cool water definitely has a fresh scent to it. Not overpowering, not strong, but it's definitely stronger than the one for kids. But overall, all three of them smell really, really nice. Again, I personally would not use this on my face, only because I have rosacea and sensitive skin. And baking soda sometimes can be a little bit I can get a little bit of a reaction from baking soda, but perfect for the hands. I'm definitely going to keep these in the car and keep them through the house just for hands and things like that. But definitely let me know if you have seen these items yet in your Dollar Tree, if they're new to you, and let me know if they're ones that you're going to be looking for on your shopping list. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and enter in the hashtag new2me. Watch the other videos in this collab, show everyone some love, and definitely go to Kimmy's Kitchen and More. Show her some love as well. And please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.